Hello all you ag people, this is Cedro Toro with Avery Drone, and the number one question we get asked is, how many gallons does a DJI T40 hold? And the answer is, it holds 40 liters, which is the same as 10.5 gallons, okay? So the next question we often get asked is, well, how many acres can you guys spray? So to answer that question, we have to do a little bit of math. This is how it works. Let's say you're spraying at a 2 gallon per acre rate, okay? And every tank, so one flight, when you're emptying a tank, is going to empty about 10.5 gallons of water / chemical mixture, right? Now, every flight is taking about 8 minutes. So 8 minutes per flight, and that includes about a minute of downtime for swapping out the battery and changing the chemical, okay? Or adding more chemical. So if you remember back to junior high or high school, you got to cancel out the units, right? So we got gallons canceled here, flights canceled here, and we're left with minutes per acre. And that's about 1.5 minutes per acre, okay? So how many acres can you do an hour? Well, to solve that, you take your 60 minutes per hour and you divide it by your 1.5 minutes per acre, and you're left with about 40 acres per hour, okay? So 40 acres an hour is about what we get with a 1 minute changeover time for the drone. Now, if you're flying a higher gallon per acre rate, like a 3, 4, or 5 gallon, you're obviously going to be slower, but you can use the exact same math to figure out how many acres you're going to be able to do an hour, and you can use that in your quoting process to make sure you're not, charging too little for the fields that you're spraying. If you have any more questions about the DJI drones and how you can use them to spray your fields or become a custom applicator, please let us know. I'll put the link to the math in a blog post on our website at averydrone.com. Let us know what videos we should make next. We want you to be successful as a drone applicator, and we're here to answer your questions. Drop us a line anytime at averydrone.com.